Kevin just dropped us off. We're here at Thunder Bay Lookout. Drove in from down there. And he dropped us off here. And Thunder Bay Lookout back there. So I'm going to go take a look at that. Come on, Xena. Hey. Sorry, making you guys busy. Hey, back over here. It's beautiful. Windy. Get all the everything kind of organized here and then just ready to go, and we're going to start hiking. Right. The trail starts just down up here, a little ways. Yeah, you ready to hike all day? Hey baby. Yeah. And trail starts over there. Alright. So good to be back out here again. 7 days. Amazing. Back. Doesn't feel too bad now, but I'll be feeling the weight after a couple kilometers. Alright, let's go. Looking forward to this for so long. Had a little difficulty finding the trail, the beginning of the trail. Well, at the very start of it I found. No problem. But immediately later I took a wrong turn. And it was like, ended up in a mess. Just all these fallen trees. Yeah, definitely on the right path now, eh baby? Yeah. 10 kilometers to our next spot. It's getting better than this. Pretty cold today though, but other than that. We did a lot better this time, for time-wise, than last time we did it. Before it took us, from the trailhead to the campsite, took us 6 hours I think. And this time, it's only been 2 hours so far. Xena's got some business to do. It's been 2 hours, and we're almost at camp already. Maybe 1 more hour at most. Hopefully that's it. But yeah, then yeah, so I think they did it half time. One of the big factors in that, though, I think, is the trekking poles. They have really, well, I use only one, and it has helped a lot. It's helped me go faster over some rugged terrain. And I probably can't hear me over the waves. So I'm going to shut this down and continue on hiking till we get to camp. I said at the time I took a break there, said it was going to be about an hour. It was actually 2 hours. I figured it'd probably be 2 hours. It's like 3 o'clock now. There's my first fire. Get this going. And yep, we're just going to relax tonight. Xena. That going. Almost done setting up the campsite. This is the campsite. I don't have crap all over. This is the process of just organizing, finding a place for everything. In a bit, I'm gonna put all my food in my pack, put it in my backpack, and hang it up down there. I already got a rope ready to go. Last year I hung it up. Up there, that tree up there, and fence right there. Too close. Whoa! What is that, Xena? Anyways, yeah, this is the campsite. Just got the shore right over here. Not too bad when I go away from the campsite looking for firewood and whatnot. So now I'm going to attempt to hang the bear bag. Well, I already got this rope ready for it and everything. There's the rope. Carabiner at the end of it. What? Yelping. Okay, so hang it up here. There we have it. Up in the tree. The tree's heavy. Yeah, I just realized that I packed all just the food in here. None of my gear, nothing. It's all just literally food. And it's pretty heavy. So the hike out would be nice, a lot lighter. But yeah. So yeah, the trail continues on down there towards Sawyer Bay. We're going to spend a few nights here. Yeah, it's okay, baby. I heard you yelping. Oh, yeah. That's my trekking pole over there. I was using it as a selfie stick. Made a modification on it, using a selfie stick. Okay, so now that campsite's been straightened up, all organized, just a little tour. Whoa, are you just saying hi? What? What? What is it? But there's part of my pack that I use her old pack. Got my cigarettes in there and her leash halty. Her pack hanging there. Clothes there. A dog there. And then got the tent set up just over here. And like I said earlier, last time we came out on this hike, that's the Kaybeun, or not the Kaybeun, this is the Kaybeun Trail, but that's, what is it? Twin Pine Lake Trail. So tonight, you know, in a little bit, her and I are going to take a short little hike out there to do her business. But yeah, I used to have the bear bag hanging up there on that limb coming out. Trying to find another place for it because that's just too close to the tent. Just don't like that idea of my food being that close to the tent hanging. So yeah, just quite a ways down there. Not super far, but far enough. Couldn't find anywhere else like fairly close by that was the closest spot. I think it's perfect. Yeah, so there's her balls and the fire pit. Which that fire was going pretty good for quite a while. It's time did I start it? We got here at 3. It's 6 o'clock. Like it just went out really died out half hour ago. So it lasted 2.5 hours with very little maintenance to it. We just tossed on a few logs here and there. So some driftwood actually. And this is one of my trekking poles. The other one left behind at the bear bag. And we got my headlamp just hooked up down onto there. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, and there's just a few supplies for tonight. Got my shit tickets there. Spoons, some cups, a little kettle. Make some coffee tonight, maybe some tea later. And it's part of my new pot set. Here's my other pot. I'm really loving these pots. A lot bigger than the old ones are so shallow, and these ones got nice little handles there. Whoops. Nice little handle. So I've got some water in here tonight to get ready for some dinner. We're going to have Idaho instant mashed potatoes and sausages. Get this fire, after we go for a little walk, get this fire going again. Do some sausages on the fire. Boil up some water for the potatoes. We're good to go. Yeah, that's about it. That's the campsite. Yeah, nice little area here. Let's go out onto the shore. Lots of driftwood here. So we got plenty of firewood for the next 3 nights. Really looking forward tonight. Hopefully it clears up a little bit more. I'd like to see a good sunset. Last time I was here, the sunsets here were amazing. And there's Thunder Bay in the distance. Of course, there's the head of the giant. That's where we'll be going on Thursday. So yeah, you walk around here and then you come up this way, it comes right back into the campsite. On the other side of the fire pit. There's Xena just watching for me. Wanna go for a little walk? Yeah, wanna go for a walk? Yeah? She is so, she's been just, seems so, where are you going? Yeah, a leaf stuck to your paw. Well, it's been, I don't even know how long. It's been about an hour and a half, 2 hours I think, since I started this upside down fire. Hardly any maintenance to it. I just recently added a few minutes ago I added some more wood to it. I think that was the first wood I've added to it. And it's been going for an hour and a half to 2 hours. So yeah, the upside down fire is the way I'm going to do it from now on. He's burning. She's sleeping. She is exhausted. Oh my god, this is so cute. She's falling asleep with her head up. She's just slowly going down. She's so tired. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Put her little blanket on. It's kind of cold out here today. I think it's warming up a little bit. I don't know if that's because I'm sitting in front of the fire. I'm actually pretty hot right now being in front of the fire. Yeah, that, by the way, that's still the upside down fire going, and it is now 8:30. I think the last time I said, I think it was, what time was it? 7:30? I don't know. It's been going for hours now. I just love that glow in there. Just glowing. Yeah, I think pretty soon, it's like almost 9 o'clock. I think I'll be getting ready for to watch the sunset, Xena. If she can get the energy to come out of that tent. I'm glad the bugs aren't too bad. I could leave the tent open so she can come in and out as she wants. And she's pretty cozy there on my sleeping bag with her blanket on. This is the Kaybeun Trail, straight ahead. This is the closer to the southern or northern end. We came from there. And it actually goes right on through here, straight through my campsite, and then continues on all the way up there to Sawyer Bay. But never, camped here once before for 2 nights and never saw one person, not one person came through here. And now I'm going to be here for 3 nights. It's Monday. I'll be leaving here Thursday morning, and I probably won't see anybody again either. That's a nice thing. And also then there's Twin Pine Lake Trail. This is the end of it. It goes from here to Burma Lake Trail. No, Burma, yeah. Or it's just called the Burma Trail, yeah. And that's kind of a boring trail. This one's kind of nice, but Burma Trail is kind of boring. It's just all just wide open, just grass. It's about as wide as a road, and nothing but grass. I've biked through it a long time ago. Yeah, so. Alright. I think we're going to get some good shots of the sunset, hopefully. Can't believe how good this fire's still going. Especially with everything being so damp. But I'm glad everything is damp because that means the fire ban's been lifted. Just days before we came here. Like perfect. So worried I couldn't do a fire. It's one thing, if I couldn't do a fire, I would have been bored. I could sit here and do nothing. Just sit in front of the fire for hours, just relaxing. Doing absolutely nothing. I tend to smoke too much though. I'm going to try to cut down, but it's not working. And also another thing is cutting firewood. You know, that's something to do. I sit here cutting firewood that I'm going to need for the day. Today I didn't really have to cut much. I was able to just, you know, kick a few with my foot, just to break it. Some thinner pieces, but most of that driftwood I find is just perfect. Well, it is almost 11 p.m. Still burning. Just gonna let this burn out. I've been adding a little bit of wood here and there, but not much. And so I think we're just gonna let this burn out. So it's just glowing embers, and just dump water on it and call it a night. Alright. So day number 1 has been pretty good today. Alright. Good night. Looking forward to day number 2 tomorrow. Hey, where's your ball? Hey, over here, come. Hey, drop it. Drop it. Hey, ready? Ready? Spill your water. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Come on. Hey, drop it. Xena. Drop it. Drop it. There you go. That one no bad. Okay, ready? Hey, drop it. Behind you. Over there. Silly girl. You silly girl. Oh, yeah. You silly girl. Chewing on a stick. It was going to be for firewood, and then she just claimed that one. She just grabbed it and took it. She didn't bother with the other stuff. But I think I got enough firewood to last for the night. Yeah, lots of, just a couple trips back and forth to the shore there, grabbing all the driftwood. It's a lot. So I think I'd take her for a little stroll up that way, up Talus Lake Trail. It's a 2-kilometer trail. I think we might go halfway up it to Talus Lake and just check out there, and then head back here. Just gotta take her to do her business and stuff. Go for a little walk. Yeah. Okay, go right in. Go back in. Get those paws clean. Get some dirty paws. Oh, you want me to throw a rock, don't you? Yeah, you do, eh? Where'd it go? Oh man. Yeah. Okay. Here, shut this off, get your ball, and then we'll play. Ready? Nope. Down. Okay. Okay. You got it. You got it. No, I missed it. Just trying to catch a butterfly. Xena! There he goes. Oh, you are. There she goes. Catch that butterfly. Loon out there. Where's the loon? There he is. Well, it is now the afternoon of day 3. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Day 3. Still have not seen one person at all while we've been out here. Like the last person I saw was Kevin when he dropped me off. And the whole hike here, nobody. And while I'm here, nobody. And the Kaybeun Trail, that's it down there. And it comes right through, right there. That's the trail right there. And it goes up there. So like it literally comes right through my campsite. And not one single person. I'll probably see Friday. It's Wednesday right now. So tomorrow might see somebody because we're going to Sawyer Bay tomorrow. And Friday I'll probably see a couple people Friday and Saturday maybe, because people camp at the main campgrounds, which are 20 kilometers away from here, and they'll drive to the main trailhead and do a day hike in on the main trail, and can get to Sawyer Bay from there. A lot of people will hike into Sawyer Bay, and there's the trail to the head right near there, so a lot of people go do that for a day hiking back. So I might see somebody, maybe even Thursday, probably on Friday. Be nice to bump into at least one person, just to say hi, have a little chat maybe. But no, just me and Xena. But that's how I like it. It's kind of nice. Okay, come on, let's go. Hang on. Hup. Nice. Okay, Daddy's gotta get over there. Oh. Looks like Thunder Bay's in some fog. Love the waves. Here's day 4? Thursday, yeah, day 4. And here's Kaybeun Trail. Down there. At Sawyer Bay now, just under the head of the Giant. And I hiked over here today. The other spot we were at, there was hardly any bugs whatsoever. Then we came here and yeah, the mosquitoes were getting kind of bad. I had to, for the first time I used my bug spray. And the other days I didn't. And I even put on some of Xena's spray. But, they're not too bad. And anyway, yeah, this is the spot. Over here I got the fire pit, tent. There's where I hang all my clothes and some of my gear in my bag. Don't have food in it. That right now I got my food out here, but it's quite a ways down. There's a bear bin there, bear locker. Just when I take Xena out to do her business, I go there and get what I need and bring it back. Keep it out here while I'm here. Anytime at night or anytime we leave the campsite, put it in there. So anyways, yeah, go down to the shore here. Yeah, today we hiked all along the peninsula, all the way along to that point there, and all the way around through all those bushes, all the way around and up into here. And yeah, like I said, this is just at the top, just at the base of the head of the Giant. Like the head, you can't see it through all the bush, which is just right there. And the Giant's just going down. And Thunder Bay is down that way. You can't see it. There's the rest of the line. That's it. All right. So I can relax here for a bit. Maybe a little later, play some ball with Xena. Maybe we'll stroll up the trail. Tomorrow, I think we're going to attempt the head trail. The head trail just goes, yeah, like I said, this is the Kaybeun Trail. Continues on down that way, but not too far down there. It's around a bend. Can't remember exactly how far, but that's the head trail starts. You can go up to the trail, up the head trail. I'm going to attempt to do that with Xena. Hopefully she can do it, but it's pretty tough. It's just such a calm morning. Here at Sawyer Bay. they're peaceful. Here's our next camp spot, right here. I have to figure out where to put the tent. Not much space here. Like a little fire pit there. And then we come out here. And there's that view. We're partway up the Giant right now. And there's the chest. We're right behind the chest of the Giant. We got this nice, beautiful little lake here, Talus Lake. So we're going to spend 2 nights here. Yeah. So quiet here. It's peaceful. Up on top of the chest of the Giant. That's the head over there. You can see the whole peninsula there. We just took a walk there. There's not too much more. Trail went on and I thought there was more of a lookout, but this is it. But still pretty spectacular. Alright, let's go see now. Yeah, I'm really loving this spot. Xena's sleeping in the tent. I got the little fire going. Good little fire pit there. But it is so calm and peaceful here. It's amazing. I love this. I'm probably going to do only 1 night here. I was going to do 2. Then go to Lightning's Bay. But this area is just too small. Hey Xena, this is amazing, isn't it? Okay, don't eat the grass. Wow. The whole back of I think that's all the chest of the Giant. Or, yeah, that's the chest. It's amazing. I don't know if you can hear that, but they're a rowdy bunch out there tonight. What? That is me. There's Xena in her blanket. Okay, you go to sleep. Lie down. Yeah, go to sleep. She loves having her blanket on. I put her blanket on for her and she just loves it. Help keep her warm. Well, that was pretty rough. We just came from packed up from Talus Lake Trail and hiked all Talus Lake Trail back onto the Kaybeun. And we're on the south. Yeah, we're on the south side of the Kaybeun now. And heading over to Lightning's Bay, camp there. And I think we're going to stay there for 3 nights, and then our last night at Tea Harbor, maybe. Yeah, hang on, Xena. I'm just going to relax the rest of the day. Alright. Is that a butterfly? Get the butterfly! Such a beautiful evening. 6 o'clock in the evening here. It's just got camp set up at Lightning's Bay and had some supper. Now just taking a nice easy 2-kilometer stroll over to T Harbor. This section of the Kaybeun Trail from here on is relatively easy. It's just like a walk. It's nice, easy going. Nice to do something like this after a real tough hike. But we're gonna go check out T Harbor. I know I've been there before and everything, but we'll take a look at it. Probably not, I was gonna camp there on the last night, but I don't think I will. I don't want to have to break down camp again, set it up again. I've done that enough already. I think we're just gonna stay at Layton's Bay because I love it there. But yeah, it's not even gonna bother. I've camped at T Harbor before. It's nice. I like it, but I prefer Layton's Bay. So we're just gonna take it easy. Just take a 0 tomorrow and just do nothing. And on Tuesday we're gonna do the top of the Giant Trail. So that'll be 2 trips up to the top of the Chest Trail and the top of the Giant Trail on top of the lakes. And we went to do the head trail, almost made it to the top. We're probably 3/4 of the way, something like that, maybe a little more than half. And it was a little too tough on her, so I felt we should turn back. Where's Xena? It's just nodding off. Down, down, down. She keeps trying to stay awake. Oh, there she goes. But she'd lying there just sitting there for a while with her head up, but she just kept on nodding down and popping back up, nodding down, pop back up. I think she just gave up. Been a very long day today. Very tough hike. Okay, we made it up on top of the Giant. Up along the back. Hey Xena, you did it. Okay, hang on Xena. Yes, hang on. Okay, Xena, take it easy. You're nervous up here. Where are you going? Over here. Xena, easy. There's nothing over there. What's the matter? Yeah. Boiling some water for my instant mashed potatoes. Yeah. Not quite boiling yet. It does not get better than this. It really doesn't. Been sitting here by the fire for hours.